Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Coding. In this video, I'm going to give you like a quick demo on how you use the GIS tool that I made using Sverchok. So you already know that I'm using add-on called Sverchok. I often say that I will save it into GIS, and for example, this is the last video that I just made. I exported the node setup into GIS, which is like a part of GitHub. The nice thing about it is like if you export it out to GIS, you can simply share the node setup as a link. So like this, in this case, if I just copy this bit, sorry, my Safari is a bit slow. So I just copy that Git, and if I have Sverchok add-on already installed, I just need to go to the compositing and go under Sverchok and then create new, and in here SV import export, this is where the export to GIS and import from GIS can happen. Just paste the ID from GIS and just hit import and wait a few seconds, and you should get the setup for you ready. So that's the setup, and you can name it. This is the circle gradient stuff that I just made. Sometimes it requires things like the material. It doesn't comes with it, but you can quickly make a material for the curve, for example, and assign it and update it, and we should be pretty much done here. And you can also kind of change the scene and then make quick adjustment into all this. You have a lot of control and everything's ready. This is the random vector, but you can also do it like this. This is much more simpler. So yeah, that's how you use the tool from my video. If you wanna ever find like a GIS, if you find the weird numbers, this is where you import it, and you just hit import, and then the node tree, whole node tree will be imported. Sometimes because sometimes the nodes changes and get updated time to time, so sometimes the nodes get updated and you need to kind of just update the nodes, make some little bit of changes and tweak. But most of the time, 90% of the time, the node tree should work. I've been using Sverchok for many years now, and throughout all this time, I've been checking the node tree and kind of updating it. So yeah, I think it's a good, kind of like a good workflow for you to try. Even though still pretty, for all my live noding video, it's all pretty simple. I tried it to be like around 15 minutes to demonstrate the tools and the creation of the tools. For the actual productions, probably it takes longer and it's gonna be like a lot more complicated. But yeah, this is just some examples that you can easily take apart and you can study and you can make modifications. So yeah, enjoy the tool, and I'll